In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero how to log a business transaction paid personally. This is perfect for those times you cover a genuine business expense using your own money and want it recorded properly in Xero so your reports are accurate and the business can track what it owes you or reflect the owner's drawings. Start on your Xero dashboard. Head to Purchases, where all your bills and spend activity live. From there, open Bills to view the full list of supplier invoices. We're focusing on a bill that's already entered in Xero but hasn't been paid from a business bank account. Next, switch to the Awaiting Payment view. This filters the list to bills that have been approved but still need payment. Find the bill you paid personally and open it. If you're unsure which one it is, check the supplier, the reference, and the due date to make sure you've selected the correct document. On the bill page, use the Make Payment option. In the Date Paid field, enter the actual date your personal payment was made. This date matters because it determines which period the expense is reported in and ensures your aged payables and cash flow reports line up with reality. Now, in the Paid From field, do not choose a business bank account. Instead, select the equity or liability account that represents personal funds, such as owner's drawings, owner's contribution, or director's loan. Whatever your chart of accounts uses for money put in or taken out by the owner. If you're not sure which account applies to your structure, check your accounting policies or ask your advisor. The key idea is that the payment did not come from a business bank feed, so you want it recorded against an owner or shareholder account. Confirm the amount. Matches the bill total. You can add a brief description like paid personally in the reference area if you want clearer audit trails, but keep it concise and professional. When everything looks right, click Record Payment. That's it. The bill is now marked as paid, your expense is correctly captured, and Xero posts the corresponding entry to the owner or director account you selected. Because the payment wasn't from a linked bank account, you won't see a bank statement line to reconcile, and that's expected for this scenario. To recap, you went to Purchases, opened Bills, filtered to Awaiting Payment, selected the bill, used Make Payment, entered the actual payment date, chose the appropriate owner-related account in Paid From, and recorded the payment. This quick workflow keeps your books clean, your reports accurate, and your reimbursements or drawings easy to track.